Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day, well, let me click on the button, 24th of February. We have about 5 more days to go, including today. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think. So today I'm finally in Bogota. Met up with people. So that's kind of cool. I'm walking around and yeah, I'm just only here for 1 day only, 1 day special. But today we will do sort this together. I know how to say Bogota though. Okay, given the head of a linked list, we turn this after sorting in ascending order. Okay. Mm, so n is 5 times 10 to the fourth. So oh, in constant space. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a very awkward problem. I mean, that's kind of, whew, I'm a little bit off today, not gonna lie. My breathing's a little bit off. Not sure why. But yeah, so for this one, it's kind of, there are a couple ways you could do it. The way that I would think about it uh, is maybe a couple. I mean, basically, this is any sorting algorithm except for you have a linked list instead of um, an array, right? And of course, using a linked list is a little bit yuckier, but you do the same analysis there, and that should be maybe okay. Yeah. I'm just trying to think a little bit whether it makes sense. Because I think okay. So I mean, the way that I would do it is by merge sort, but I was thinking about, at least in my mind. So I'm feeling a little bit suboptimal today. I think the thing is that in Bogota it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did not pack enough for it. So I think I'm catching a little bit of the coldness. Where in Cartagena and even Medellin is like in the 70s, or in Cartagena it was like 90s. So it's quite a contrast. I did not dress or prepared for it. And for those of you who are using a reasonable metric system, I believe that basically it was like 20s and 30s in Cartagena, where I was this morning, and it is about, let's say, like 5 degrees or something. Maybe I'm a little bit off, but so man, my body is just like cold and stuff like that. So hopefully I don't get sick. But yeah, sorry about this relogging a little bit. But yeah, but this one is just any sorting algorithm, right? So I was thinking about using quicksort, and of course the first thing that you would think about with a quicksort is that, oh, but it could be n squared in the worst case, and then of course the other way you could, one of the ways to fix it is just by randomizing the input. But of course, using a linked list is a little bit trickier to randomize the input. So I'm like, maybe not. So another way you could do it is by using merge sort, and I think that's what I'm going to do, because using finding the, I think there's another problem that's like finding the middle of the linked list, and if you're able to find the middle of the linked list, then you could do, that's what merge sort is, right? So let's see if we can do it really quickly. Really not feeling well now that I started this video, not gonna lie. So we'll see. So yeah, so let's just do merge sort. We have let's say a pointer to ahead, maybe. Yeah. I don't know how I want to do this one, to be honest. At least, I mean, I know how I want to do it, but I don't know how I want to do it with implementation per se. But let's say we have a merge sort ahead, and then you have let's just say fast and slow, right? So fast is equal to head, slow is equal to head, maybe, and wealth is not none. Fast is equal to fast on next. If fast is not none, fast is equal to fast on next, and slow is equal to slow down next, right? So then at the end of this, then slow will have the middle. Maybe I could have actually just do get middle or something like that, right? So let's change that to get middle of head. So you have this, and then it returns slow, right? And of course, in this case, in other problems you might worry about the middle, but in here, maybe it doesn't matter whether it's exact the middle. At least it's close enough. It should be good enough in the worst case. But yeah, and also, so I'm really not feeling well, so I'm not try to whatever. But I hope if I have any viewers, in Ukraine, I hope you're okay. Or if you have a friend or many friends there, I hope they're okay as well. I hope everything's. It's such a weird day, right? Life is so weird. The world is being weird. I guess it has been for a couple of years, so I don't know. It's just not gonna lie, like stuff like this makes it just makes it hard to focus, right? Like what on Leetcode and like what is this? Like what is the meaning? What is this for? I don't know. Uh, okay, maybe it's just a sick Larry talking, but anyway, yeah. So middle is equal to get middle of head, and then now, right? So now you have head and you have the middle. So then now you can merge them together. So let's say we have new head is equal to a list node of -1 and no next. So then, yeah, let's just say I call it left maybe is equal to head. Maybe I don't know if that's better. And I feel like I'm being a little bit sloppy to be honest, but it should be okay. We'll figure we'll figure out how to fix it. So yeah, so while left is not none and let's just call it right. I think the tricky part is that I have to make sure that left doesn't get to the middle, right? So excuse me. So maybe something like this, and then we move that next, and then maybe middle dot next is none. Like I said, I'm really sloppy with the off by ones. It doesn't change the complexity all that much for the most part. So and I understand this, but this may look very yucky, and I don't know, nothing very well. So I'm just trying to get an AC, and not trying to win any competition for speed or even good code right now. Yeah. So yeah. So then now this should be more accurate, and then if left dot value is less than right dot value, then oh, oops. Then current dot next is equal to left, right? Else current dot next is equal to right. In this case, left is equal to left dot next. Right is equal to right dot next. And then of course, while left is now you get rid of basically you finish off the thing, right? If it's not, so yeah, I mixed something here actually. So now we said that, and then current is equal to current dot next. Yep. Yeah. Same thing. I mean, this is merge sort. You should, have a good idea about this one. It comes in handy a lot. So yeah, hopefully this makes sense. And then now just return merge sort of head. I think head. Yeah. Let's see if this is right or roughly right or at least in the vicinity of being right. And not infinite loop. Okay, well let's run more cases first, and then we'll see what's the situation right now. Okay, well, middle can be none because of the way that we did it. Is that right? Huh. Oh, I guess if this is none, then yeah. Okay. In that case, how? Yeah. Hopefully this is right. Or like, I mean, not airing out. Okay. So what happened here? Did I get it? Well, nothing. Hmm. Hmm. That's weird. I don't know why this is. Let's see, right? Hmm. Let's start off something really basic then. Let's have one node. Whoops. Hmm. Two nodes, not even right. Okay. Why is that? I think I don't handle the base case right, because I think I was a little bit sloppy with this one because I know that I said that the exact middle doesn't matter, but it matters if you have two elements because then now you're not. Yeah. So okay. Eh. So what I need here then is, let's see. So okay, I have the two elements and this bunch of the one. I think I want to get the preview of this, but that's why I'm like a little bit okay. Huh. There you go. It's really yucky. Okay. So I got these two right, but I'm missing the three case now. Uh, so easy to get wrong. Hmm. Because basically we want the middle to be, or get middle function to return the pointer to the middle so that we can adjust it, which is what we have here. Um, but we're still having some off by one issues maybe. Hmm. I mean, clearly it will. 3 2 1 1 3 2. So it sorted to, what did it sort? Or am I just like skipping? No, I mean it has all the numbers. It's not skipping any per se. Man, my brain is really painful right now. All right, let's just print out what we think this is. So we have the three node one. Okay. So initially it's pointing to three. This is very awkward actually. I think I'm just printing stuff that, or like it's doing too much in the printing. Try again. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong. Why is the two not? Oh, because I set it to none. Okay, so then left is the three and the two. Middle is the. I don't use middle at all after this, right? So middle should be whatever. So then you have the three and the two, and then the one. But that means that. Oh, I'm being dumb, am I? What am I doing? I'm just kind of merging two things, but what I need to do is. I am dumb. Wow. Okay, fine. What I need to do is, okay. Let's say here, then we go left is equal to merge sort of left, right is equal to merge sort of right, something like that, right? And then if head is none, return none, something like that. Wow. Sorry, friends. I mean, I guess I just, I don't know. I did the merge part without the uh, yeah, without doing the other part. But then now, why is that infinite loop though? For one node, what happens? One node, we call this, right is none, and okay, so this is gonna be none. This is already still one node. Okay. So then basically, yeah, if head dot next is none, we just return head, because that means that there's only one node. Hopefully that resolves a little bit. Okay. Wow, I just forgot to merge. I was like, I thought I had an off by one somewhere, but maybe, and clearly I just forgot to merge. Let's actually add a couple more test cases before I say that that's the only reason though. Okay. If this is good, I think I'm happy with it. I just forgot to merge. Okay, submit. Hopefully it's right because I'm really tired. Okay, 695. I mean, yeah, this isn't quite constant space due to the stack. But I don't know. Don't really have time for it. This is n log n time. Like I said, I guess technically log n space for the stack. That's all I have for this one. I'm not gonna. I really am not feeling well right now, so I'm gonna call it a night. Anyway, stay good, stay healthy, to your mental health, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.